Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Toyota Highlander Platinum Limited. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 270 horsepower, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, black leather interior with a dark wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, third row seating, Highlander limited all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, rear captain's chairs, memory seats, JBL sound system, heated steering wheel, blind spot assist, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmission. This Toyota has 37,882 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, visit us at feldmannimports.com.